Hey Code Coach, we're looking at a deck, and I want you to see here we have a 4x4 used to support this deck. I want you to see overall framing looks really good. You got bracing, block and what have you, but the code does no longer recognize 4x4s. Another thing, if you're building this as a freestanding deck, even with this instance, within 30 inches, not a very big fall, you still have to have it either freestanding, in which you have supports at any kind of break and intersection end, or it has to be bolted, 4 bolts per end of a band, and then staggered, not to be within 1.5 inches of the end, what have you. So things to be looking for when you're looking at your deck.